Welcome to a beginner-level walkthrough of the collaboration software Miro. In the next few minutes, you'll learn how to navigate, create, and collaborate in real time, even if you're completely new to the platform. No more feeling lost or overwhelmed. Here's your straightforward guide to becoming productive on Miro, fast. At the end of the video, make sure to check the link in the description for access to a free community geared towards project management and productivity.
Opening a Miro board reveals your digital workspace, the board canvas. This is where all your ideas, plans, and visuals take shape. We're looking at a project retrospective board, as shown in the title above. While the canvas appears straightforward, it's surrounded by powerful toolbars and settings. Many new users rush in without understanding these tools, but we'll take a smarter approach to make your Miro experience efficient from day one. Let's begin with a quick tour around the edges of your canvas. In the top left corner, you'll find the board menu and settings in your control center for managing board details. For example, clicking the board name lets you rename it, set a custom thumbnail, or duplicate and share the board if needed. Right next to it, click the three dots for board settings. Need to export your board? Choose Export for options like image or PDF formats. And if you ever need to search for something specific on the board, go to Edit, then Find, and enter keywords to locate text or images instantly. Now, Miro boards can be quite large, so let's explore the best ways to zoom and move around. If you're using a mouse, zooming is as easy as scrolling your mouse wheel. Want to shift your view? Right-click and hold, then drag your mouse in the direction you want to go. If you're on a trackpad, just pinch to zoom and swipe with 2 fingers to move around. See how quickly we can jump to different sections of the board. Let's get your ideas onto the board. The Creation toolbar on the left side holds all your essential tools: text, sticky notes, shapes, and connection lines. Make the toolbar yours by dragging your most used tools right onto it for quick access. Say you're working on a sailboat retrospective and want to jot down some quick thoughts. A sticky note is perfect for this. From your toolbar, click on the sticky note icon. Then simply drag it onto the canvas. It's as easy as placing a post-it on a whiteboard. Now, to select it, just click on it once. Notice what happens? A blue outline appears along with a new menu that lets you customize your sticky note. But wait, don't settle for the default look. Try changing the color to make it pop or match it to your theme. Ready to add text? Double-click on the sticky note, and you'll see a blinking cursor inviting you to start typing. Here's a quick tip. Press Tab when you're finished, and like magic, a new sticky note appears next to the last one, ready for your next idea. It's a smooth, continuous way to keep ideas flowing without interruptions. Here's where Miro shines: real-time collaboration. At the top right corner is your communication toolbar, where you can see everyone's activity on the board in real time. It's more than just icons. It shows who's actively contributing and where they're focused. Let's say you're working on a project and see Maria's avatar in the toolbar. She's online, but where is she on this large board? Rather than scrolling around trying to find her, click on Maria's avatar to jump right to her section of the board. You'll see her cursor in real time, guiding you to her focus area. Need her to see what you're working on? Click on your own avatar and she'll be directed to your viewpoint. It's like having her right there with you. Do you want to do more than just follow along? Use the reactions button to add an emoji in real time. Perfect for quick approvals, laughs, or aha moments. For more detailed feedback, use the comments tool to leave a note directly on the board. Maria or anyone else can jump in to respond. All right, let's explore one of Miro's best-kept secrets for staying organized: frames. When working on projects with lots of moving parts, frames act as your personal guideposts. Each frame holds a specific section of your project, creating clear organization on your canvas. Getting started is simple. Look to the toolbar on the bottom right and click the frame icon. You'll see a list of all frames on your board like a table of contents. Click any frame name to zoom right to that section. This makes finding content a breeze, especially when presenting to others. Frames also shine when you need to export your work. Need to share your board as a PDF? Frames ensure each section follows a logical sequence, making it easy for anyone to follow along. Now that you've got frames down, the final feature we're looking at today is the ultimate game changer. Miro AI serves as your personal board assistant, right there on standby, ready to make things smoother and faster. To activate Miro AI, click the icon at the top of your left side toolbar. You'll instantly open up a range of options like automated sticky clustering or even generating content ideas. Let's say you're brainstorming ideas. Miro AI can help you group related stickies automatically, saving you from hours of dragging and arranging by hand. Whether it's summarizing notes, organizing ideas, or even suggesting improvements, Miro AI has something for everyone. And just when you think you've seen it all, the AI is constantly learning, ready to help you work smarter. So why not give it a try? Explore Miro AI and see what it can unlock for you. You might be surprised by how much time it saves.
Congratulations! You've just covered the essentials of Miro, from navigating the canvas to creating and organizing content with ease, all while mastering real-time collaboration. Imagine jumping into your next project with confidence, moving around the board effortlessly, and sharing ideas seamlessly. That's the power of Miro. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to check the link in the description to our free community built for anyone who's into project management or just wants to discover ways to be more productive in any area of life. Thanks for watching. See you next time.